Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, be discussing with you, your phone's camera is always on and spying on you. How do you turn it off? But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to at least secure your phone here or your personal life, well, sometimes managing your camera is something pretty important here. In some cases, certain apps or some apps may be spying on you, so that's why managing it is really important. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your phone, you want to go to your settings, and you want to look for your apps. So scroll down a bit here, click on apps, and you want to go and click on search apps here, or you could go and manually search for camera. And let's go and access this. Now the first setting that you want to manage here is going to be your power. So let's go and choose power. Now sometimes if let's just say your camera here is set to no restrictions, typically your camera would run in the background. Now sometimes if your camera is running in the background, that's not ideal. This will consume a lot of power and can also start, or it can also be used to spy on you. So in this case, you may want to set this to either battery saver or close app after 10 minutes of background activity. So basically, you are not giving unrestricted access to your camera here. So it's only to a limited time, just you when you're using it. Now let's go and go back here. Now next is you want to go to your permissions. So go to app permissions and you want to go ahead and choose the following options. Now first thing that you want to do is you may want to go to location and you want to go ahead and just click on don't allow. Now, what we are doing here is we're limiting the access of the camera on our location, so it is a great way for you to keep your location private. And also, you may want to go to nearby devices here and click on don't allow, so that you will not accidentally connect to nearby or connect to other nearby devices. And also, you may want to go to camera as well. Now, in some Android devices, we have two permissions that actually allow access. So first is we have the allow all the time and allow only while using the app. Now this depends completely on your phone. Now if you do have this set to allow all the time, I would highly recommend you to choose or use the following permissions here, which currently is my current permission, is the allow only while using the app, so that we can guarantee that the camera is only using the camera functionality on your phone when you're actually using it, and when you're not using it, obviously they will not, or the camera app will not, or the camera itself will not have access to your actual physical camera on your phone. So it will keep you secure. So another thing that you may want to do is you want to go back into your settings here. So let's go and go back. Now, in your settings, you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for privacy. Now, this depends on your phone. Sometimes it's just privacy. Sometimes it's going to be privacy and security. It depends. But in my case, it's going to be privacy. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to look for permission manager. Let's go and choose permission manager. And inside permission manager, you want to go ahead and choose camera. Now this will show you all the permissions that actually or has access to your camera. So the actual physical camera on your phone. So in this case, you want to go and look at every specific app that has access to it. So if you're not familiar with one app here and that app doesn't actually require any camera permissions, what you need to do is you want to go and select that specific app and just choose the option that says don't allow, or at least choose ask every time. So if you really need to use that camera on that specific app, they still would ask permissions to access your camera. So yeah, so you can go and just do this for every app that you see in here, and also just make sure that the apps here does not have the allowed all the time permission. So only the allowed only while in use. So just to be on the safe side here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.